The 360 camera market is changing fast, and for the first time in years, Insta360 is no longer the only company dominating the conversation. The X5 was a huge success. It delivered incredible stabilization, the invisible selfie stick effect, and software features that made 360 editing easier than anything else on the market. But over the past year, competitors have started catching up, especially in image quality and low-light performance. And now, all signs point toward the arrival of the Insta360 X6. Recent regulatory filings strongly suggest the camera is real and close to launch. Historically, these filings appear only weeks before official announcements, which makes a summer 2026 release look very likely. Even more interesting, Insta360 recently dropped the price of the X5 across major retailers, something companies often do right before replacing a product. But the real question isn't whether the X6 is coming. The question is whether it can solve the problems that started holding the X5 back. In daylight, the X5 still looks fantastic. The stabilization remains among the best in the industry, and Insta360 Studio continues to offer some of the smartest AI reframing tools available. But once lighting conditions become difficult, the limitations start to show. Night scenes, indoor events, and darker environments reveal visible noise and softer detail. That became a bigger issue once newer competitors introduced larger sensors capable of capturing much cleaner footage. And that's where the biggest X6 rumor becomes extremely important. Leaks suggest Insta360 may finally move to larger 1-inch sensors inside the X6. If true, this could completely transform low-light performance and dynamic range. Bigger sensors mean more light capture, cleaner shadows, and better overall image quality. In a 360 camera, that's a massive upgrade because these cameras traditionally struggle after sunset. Video performance is also expected to improve significantly. Rumors point toward 8K recording at 60 frames per second, which would double the frame rate of the X5. That matters because smoother motion makes reframed footage feel much more cinematic and usable for action scenes, travel videos, and sports content. There are also reports of 10-bit color support, giving creators more flexibility when color grading footage in post-production. Battery life may improve too, with leaks suggesting over 100 minutes of continuous recording. And Insta360 is reportedly upgrading its replaceable lens system with tougher materials and improved durability, something that continues to separate it from many competitors. But hardware alone isn't why people buy Insta360 cameras. The company's real strength has always been software. The X6 is expected to push AI editing even further with smarter tracking, automated reframing, and faster one-tap edits designed for creators who want professional-looking videos without spending hours editing manually. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Insta360 X6 could become much more than a simple annual upgrade. It could be the camera that pushes 360 video from a fun social media feature into a serious filmmaking tool. Now the only thing left is the official announcement.